Hi everyone, my name is Sush. I'm a first year law student at Magdalen College. I'm from Basingstoke in Hampshire, and today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about what kind of clubs and activities you can get involved in at Oxford and how you can find something that you're interested in and passionate about. So I'm going to be talking about stuff you can do as a law student and stuff that you can also do more generally, because I'm sure all of you will have interests that aren't just about law. So starting with the stuff you can do that's related to law, some of my favourite things are on the slide that you can see, so I'm going to go through them in order. The first thing, which I'm really excited about, is mooting. It's something that I started doing after I came to Oxford, so you don't need any experience about it or anything, and it's been really fun because it's such a new experience and there's so much to do. So what mooting is basically your chance to apply the knowledge you pick up in your law degree to real world situations. So you'll be given a fake case that you'll argue before a real judge with other people, and it's really a great opportunity to find out more and get interested in certain new areas of law and go beyond your syllabus, and also a great way to meet people and decide whether you want to be a barrister or a solicitor. And really, there's all kinds of great opportunities that are associated with mooting, and I'd really encourage some of you to get involved if you're interested. Next, we have stuff to do with human rights, which I'm sure a lot of you will be interested in as prospective law applicants. So human rights is really great at Oxford. There's the Lawyers Without Borders student division, which works with the main Lawyers Without Borders organisation, which is really famous, to organise talks and events and raise funds and all kinds of cool things like that. There's also the Bonavera Institute of Human Rights at Oxford, which organises similarly loads of really cool activities. There's even a special mooting competition to do specially with human rights law, which I was able to do this year that I really enjoyed. And honestly, there's anything you can imagine to do with human rights, Oxford probably does it in some way. Additionally, there's something else I'm involved in called Oxford Legal Assistance, which has been really, really cool so far, which is where you will work with a local law firm to volunteer on what we call pro bono cases, which is where the lawyers work for free for people who can't maybe afford a lawyer or can't go through the normal channels. They give them legal advice and represent them. And it's really great work because you can see firsthand how you're helping people and give back to the community, and also learn a little bit about what real lawyering is actually like. The other thing that's really cool about Oxford is that we have a law society and a bar society. Both of these societies are really great. What they basically do is they give you an opportunity to learn more about the two big legal careers, which are solicitor and barrister. And they have events with like law firms and barristers' chambers. They have essay competitions and magazines that you can write articles for. And they just generally provide a lot of different opportunities for you to like think about your career and learn more about what being a lawyer is actually about. Obviously, we all have interests that aren't law related. So there's lots of activities you can do that have nothing to do with law. And that's what makes Oxford so great. So the first thing to note about this is that Oxford is really special because everything works at a university level and a college level. So an example of this is sport. If you're really good at a sport and really passionate about it, you can put in the commitment to play it at university level, which like really frequent training and like a really high level of sport. Or if you're more interested in just having fun, getting some exercise, you can play your sport at the college level and, make some friends and do all kinds of fun activities as a team. Also, Oxford has its societies, which it's quite famous for, which are basically just groups of students thinking and working with any topic imaginable. There's a Tolkien Society, for those of you that like the Lord of the Rings. There's a Star Wars Society. There's all kinds of amazing societies just based on what people are interested in, which means almost everyone will find something to do that they're passionate about, that they care about, and that's a fun way to spend their free time. So the societies are a really great part of being at Oxford, but not only that, you also have the Oxford Union, which is a really unique and special thing about Oxford, where famous people like celebrities, politicians, all these kinds of cool people will come and give talks to us and answer our questions and kind of make being at Oxford a really special time. As well as this, we also have a lot of opportunities for student journalism, where you can write articles about the things you care about and the things that happen both at Oxford and across the world. And you can get to interview all kinds of cool people in and out of the university and really kind of make an impact with regard to the things that you're interested in. So obviously Oxford has almost an unlimited number of things to do, and it's really easy to find things that you'll find interesting and will fill up your free time and help you make friends. And really, the whole experience is what you make of it. So I hope all of you that come to Oxford have an amazing time and get to partake in all of these activities. And more than anything, I just wanted to say good luck to all of you.